Hi kids, colors. Let's learn colors name. Brown, blue, pink, black, violet, yellow, green and orange color. Orange color. Kids, in this video we will dress 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's dress. 1, yellow color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pink color. 1, blue color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Red color. 1, green color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, O-N-E 1. 2, T-W-O 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. 5, F-I-V-E 5. 6, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.